Hi everyone, John Cleese here with Lake Effect Garden Design with a new project that we're just wrapping up in Douglas, Michigan. We're just a block off of the lake. And what I wanted to show you here, which we don't often show in a lot of our videos, is the hardscape that we do. So here we put in a new pathway, and the priority for the client was this big outdoor shower. They wanted that, and so that was what we put in here first. Unfortunately, we couldn't do it level with the deck because they have a set shower apparatus that they wanted to use, so we needed to make sure it was below the grade of the roof line there. But it came out really wonderful. We're super excited about this. There are no doors in it, but basically you come in here, we put in a bench, you can dress and then shower on the other side. They didn't want any doors, and I just really think it's great the way that it turned out. And the other thing I want to show you is this custom fence that we put in. So again, we've got the pathway. Oh, and I should actually show, so we have some Vinca here. We used up most of the budget for this year, and this is a good lesson for anybody that really wants to break up projects. What we're going to do now at this point is really just come back and get this grade all right, and then we're just going to mulch it for the rest of the year. And then we'll come back next year, we'll set up a new plan for planting and see where the client's at. But for now, we wanted to get all the hardscapes in. We've got some plantings on the front we'll show. We got the trees in, which of course, if you're gonna do a phased project, I always like to get in the trees. Get in anything first that will be in the way. We would never wanna plant perennials or ground covers here on the bottom and then come and dig them up with the trees. So we got all of our trees in first, and the hardscapes, and then we've got this beautiful fence that we did, a cedar fence. The client helped design this one. We're super excited about that. They want to have a dog in the future, but I think it looks really great in the landscape. And these are pink dogwoods, which is going to be quite beautiful when they bloom. So thanks so much for watching the video. Again, follow us on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, and of course go to the website lakeeffectgarden.com if you want to learn more about native plantings.